We start this case by examining it before any treatment is done. Tooth numbers D, E, and F all have mesial and distal interproximal caries. We begin treatment by doing incisal reduction using a diamond wheel, and then we proceed by doing the axial reduction using a straight diamond. We remove all the decay and reshape the teeth to accept the crowns. Our next step is to fit the correct size halo crown onto each of the prepared teeth. You will note that when the third crown is fitted, it is crimped to be narrow enough to fit the space available. You will also notice that as the crowns are placed on each tooth, the gingival cuff of the crown presses on the gingiva and greatly reduces and in most cases stops the bleeding caused by the preparation. We now etch all of the prepared teeth by placing the etchant through the open window of the halo crown. After they have etched the appropriate amount of time, the preps are rinsed and dried. Again, notice the clean preps and the absence of blood. Bonding material is painted on the clean preps and light cured. At this point, the flowable dual cure material is injected through the open windows into the cavity between the prepared teeth and the halo crowns. Pay particular attention to the inset on the right side, which clearly shows the material flowing behind the lingual surface of the tooth and coming out on the other side. It is important that the lingual cavity or space between the prepared tooth and the halo crown is completely filled. All the overfilled halo crowns are light cured, and we begin to remove the excess hardened material, and the facial surface is reshaped with a straight diamond burr. Once all the excess material has been removed and the correct facial contour has been achieved, the facial surface is polished to a shiny luster. This enables the dentist to place durable, aesthetic crowns quickly and easily on badly broken down anterior pediatric teeth. They can be crimped and otherwise manipulated to fit nearly every situation, even when considerable space has been lost. Here we have the case before and after with the halo crowns in place. The crowns are fitted and placed so the dentist can confirm the alignment and arrangement prior to cementation. Since the prepared teeth are bonded to the crowns, the chance of failure of the crowns is minimal. The stainless steel lingual surface is not only strong, but it is smooth and kind to the opposing dentition without causing excessive wear.